2.66 risk to reward trade. Today, I risked very minimal because I was not confident in this trade whatsoever. And honestly, I probably shouldn't have taken it honestly at all. Here was a trade. Here was my entry. Got in right here. Yeah, this was the trade. It was past the macro. It was, well, a minute past the macro, but it was past the macro. News was super volatile today. We'll go over everything, how I got this trade. I ended up winning, I think, 700 or 800, and it was a 2.66, so you guys can do the math. I didn't really risk very heavy, and there was a reason for that. Obviously, we'll go over it. But yeah, let's just start out with everything. Here's what ES looked like. And honestly, today I was bullish for the entire day until the one major confluence I had happened. And I was kind of looking for this right when market opened, and it was in the back of my mind the entire day. And I just saw it right after news dropped, and that's what happened. Obviously, we had London highs right here, and we had London highs right here. But then, as you see, I marked out this 15-minute draw on liquidity right here, because as you guys can tell, we are in this huge 1 hour fair value gap right here on ES, and you can see that price goes up into it. So I'm going to just draw the bottom of it, and then we're going to mark that as, let's do orange. And then we're going to do the same thing on NQ. Except I didn't put my take profit all the way down there because it was so fucking far away. But anyways, we have this 15-minute low right here on NQ, and we have this 15-minute low on ES. What is price doing? Market opens, and what happens? Price takes out this 15-minute low right here. Price does not take out this 15-minute low right here. Price instead takes out these lows and continues going higher. And then price takes out London session highs on NASDAQ. So what does that mean? I want to be bullish until ES takes out London session highs. So I'm bullish, and I'm waiting for news. What happens right before news drops? I'm almost in a trade. I was going to take this long right here on ES. I was going to take this long right here. But then what happens when the 1 minute news candle drops? Price instantly goes up. My first take profit was right up here. I'm not going to put my stop loss all the way down here. 108 ticks away. And then my take profit, 30 ticks. Yes, it would have worked. Yes, it would have been absolutely fucking stupid to do. And then I was going to wait for a re-entry with the bullish bias that I still had to get up to London session highs. What happens? Price absolutely dumps. Cool. What also happens? The 5-minute completely breaks all structure from when market opened with the 5 minutes. It broke market open structure. It didn't do that, or it did do that, sorry, on NQ. But what is still not taken out on NQ? That 15-minute low that I was talking about before. Pretty simple. You guys probably know my strategy, but, some people probably don't know how to use it. So everyone probably used it going up to these highs, when in reality you should have been taking a short. Boom, price goes down. I was already in this trade because of this big fucking fair value gap right here. And then this little fair value gap compared to this monstrous one. And right when it got disrespected, boom, I was in. Stops above where the fair value gap ends. I put first take profit right here just in case just in case price wanted to take out these lows and then continue going higher. And then I had TP2 right here. TP2. And then take profit 3. Right there. So, first, 2.04 risk to reward. Second, 2.18. Third one, 3.29 risk to reward ratio. Just by analyzing where price is wanting to go. And it was honestly super easy for me. I only made $700-800. It'll be in the title because I wasn't confident with how volatile news was. News moved 260 ticks, 360 ticks, wicked out the highs, wicked out the lows. It wicked out both biases. I probably shouldn't have taken this trade. Not even probably. I shouldn't have taken this trade, but it was just so obvious that price wanted to go down to these 15-minute lows. So what did I do? Put my take profit there, and I fucking wrote it down to those 15-minute lows. Boom. Price goes up. Like, it was clear bearish. Boom. Clearly bearish. Every single take profit got hit. Every single one. And look what happens. I fucking bottom ticked that shit. Price hit every single one. Sorry, I didn't even put my take profit there. I put my take profit right here on this 15-minute fair value gap because, and now I'm just lying, because I didn't expect, or not expect, I didn't want to be in the markets that long and stuff like that. So in reality, it was a 2.86. Sorry for lying. But look at that. It filled that hourly fair value gap that ES already filled. Look at this. It completely filled the hourly fair value gap now. Price is back to normal. And now look what happens. Price is going down to these lows on ES. Price is probably going to rebalance and then go down to the lows on NASDAQ a different day or today, depending how volatile the market is. But simple as that. This was the trade. There's no other way to explain it besides it was just self-explanatory. I probably shouldn't have taken this trade at all, but I did because it just seemed super obvious to me, and there was nothing else I was kind of looking at besides this. And yes, I probably shouldn't have traded, but at least I won, because if I would have lost and then probably shouldn't have traded, it would be a completely different story. And people are like, well, that, shows something. Well, I got lucky today. And, luck can only give you so much. And today it helped me. So, yeah, I would say this is a lucky trade. And I would say that it was a bad trade compared to the usual trades I take. With how volatile news was, you probably just shouldn't have taken anything. Goes up 200 ticks with a candle, and then goes down 554 ticks. On ES as well. And then if you look at the Dow Jones, Dow was down insane. Like, everything's just down right now. There was no reason for me to take a long with how market's been, with everything going on and stuff like that. So that's what I did today. And it was just, like I said, super obvious. And then boom, right here, boom, retrace, legs down. Simple. That's all I got for you guys. Here I can show you guys the trade again. 2.84 risk to reward for full take profit. And that's all I got. Deuces. I'll see you guys in the next trade recap. I'm also posting a fair value gaps video so you guys can help learn about fair value gaps if you guys are needing to, fix how you guys look at those and stuff like that. That'll probably come out tomorrow because I'm not going to post 2 YouTube videos in a day. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Peace.